This is the second part of the first video on this very topic. If you haven't watched the first part, please do well to watch the first part, because this is a continuation of where we stopped on the importance of learning a skill. Without taking much time, let's continue. Now you may be thinking, where do I even start? Please don't worry, I got you. Now, if you love creativity, graphic design can go for you, because it has to do with creativity. Even art, what's it called? Is art illustration. There's this artists, those that are good in creativity, in drawing and other aspect that has to do with art. If you love creativity, that one you can go for it. If you also love social media, digital marketing is fit for that also. And if you are that person that loves technology, coding, top notch to that, seriously. The aspect of technology, if you love technology, coding, it's in line with that also. So you just look at finding your interest. What is that thing that you are interested in? Anytime you come across it, you find it appealing, pleasing. You may not necessarily be doing it, but you just see that you are at peace with it, you like it. That very thing. Find that which is your interest, and then you narrow it down to what skill that is linked, is attached, or that is relatable to it. Find such, and then you find yourself flowing in it. Don't just jump into, I mentioned graphic design, let me go to graphic. I mentioned coding, I mentioned video editing, no. Find your interest. Find what interests you. This is how you will know where to start. This is how you will know how you can find a skill. This is one of the means that you can learn it so easily. If you want to learn a skill easily, how you can learn it easily? Firstly, find your interest. Know that which is your interest, and then you now find that which is relatable. You look for that one. Find your interest. Start checkmating yourself right now. There are many free or paid platforms in which you can learn these skills. There are many of the platforms in which you can learn these skills. Some platforms you will learn it for free, some you have to pay for it. I'm going to mention the free and paid platforms in which you can learn. So I will want to start with free platforms. The first platform in which you can learn some of these skills, the first one is YouTube. This YouTube that they are saying, you can learn any skill you want to learn in this very YouTube platform. And Allison, do you know of Allison? Allison too, you can learn free courses there. Udemy is somewhat paid and free like that. I don't have my experience in it, but the one I have on is Allison. I've learned a skill on Allison. I've learned social media marketing, management. I've learned it on Allison free, like full course. You can learn it there. And paid courses to platforms, you see Udemy, I think is one of it. Coursera, is it Coursera? Yeah, the correct spelling. Yes, is it. That is it. So you can also learn it on these platforms. Even Google, you can also learn some of these skills. In fact, these skills on Google and some free courses like that. You can learn it there. So find any of these platforms that is suitable to you, and then you search for the very skill you want to learn, and then you get yourself equipped. Learn a skill. Or add up to that skill you have. Maybe you have a skill already. Add up to it. If you have one skill, you are good at that, and you are finding yourself interested in another one, add up to it. These are very platforms that you can find any skill and learn. Why not learn it? Please learn it. I want to combine this together, practicing and start monetizing your skill. When you have acquired the skill, you practice it. What you have learned as you are learning, practice it. You replicate it. You do what you are taught. You learn it, practice it, because practice makes perfect. When you practice, the more you practice, the more you become familiar with it, and the more you are good at it, you learn new things on it. So practice makes perfect. And after you practice that, you start monetizing your skill. Start sharing your work. Start sharing on social media platforms. You are by so doing, you are attracting potential clients. You share your skill, your skill, your project. Share that which you've done on your social media platforms. Have your own portfolio, the project, the works you've done so far. Have it and start monetizing your skills. Start rendering your services. Start announcing yourself. Start publicizing what you are doing. Let people know, okay, this is what I'm doing. I can do this. I can do that. In case you need my services, I'm available. So this is one of the missing ways you can start earning. Because if you have, nobody will know. Because some of these skills that you are learning, you when learning this skill, you may not announce it. So after you've learned this skill, people will not know that this person have a skill, something that I can offer on the table. People might not know. Yes, they will not know that you are a valuable person. But when you present yourself and show that you are a valuable person because you have you have something that can solve your problem, they will consider you. So practice and start monetizing your skill. Sorry, I have to come out. Sorry, I'm out, but just listen to me. In 2025 and beyond, skills are the new currency now. If you want to succeed, having a means of income or to make yourself a valuable person to stand out, skills are the new currency now. Students, graduates, unemployed, any field of life you find yourself, you should know that skills is very important and it can give you the power. It will give you the power to create opportunities for yourself. I want you to drop in the comment section what is that skill that you want to learn or that you are already learning or you want to learn, or how will I put it, so that we can discuss it in the comment section. And if you find this video is not helpful, please share this video to somebody that you know it's going to be of help to that person. Like this video, leave your comments, keep this very content video engaging. It will help so that YouTube will recommend more this to more audience that will find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this point, please, I want you to do well to subscribe. Turn on that notification bell also so that you'll be notified anytime video is being uploaded. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.